ask question to us, who can do software testing? Am I eligible or not? Am I eligible or will I be able to do software testing or not? For that, let's understand who can do software testing. First of all, anyone who is graduate, okay, and who have done BCom or I would say MCA, BTech, okay, any stream, whoever is graduate, they can do, or even 12+3, who is diploma holder, even they can do, okay. But the second question again asks, why? Why software testing doesn't require coding knowledge or something? It does not require. To be very honest, you are not going to develop any software. You are going to test it. So you are free only that you need to develop that skill. For that, we are here. We will help you. Connect with us for more details.